Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Use a Torx T8 security driver, a spudger, and a small flat tool. Work with good lighting and a clean surface for parts. Keep a tray for 5 small screws and plastic pieces. Power off the controller and remove the battery pack before starting. Ground yourself to avoid static discharge and use gentle force only. Take photos at each step to remember cable positions and screw locations. Label any parts you remove so reassembly is faster and safer. Remove the battery pack and the hidden screw under the sticker first. Then use the Torx T8 to remove the 4 exposed screws and the hidden screw. Pry the faceplate gently with a spudger, releasing clips along the edges evenly. Lift the rear shell slightly and locate the 2 ribbon cables and trigger cable. Disconnect 2 ribbon cables and 1 trigger cable before fully separating the halves. Set the faceplate and circuit board gently on the work surface. Keep screws grouped by location to avoid mixing them up accidentally. Carefully remove analog stick modules and note their orientation with a photo. Replace or clean components like the joystick pots, triggers, or tactile switches as needed. Reinstall the circuit board and ensure internal tabs align with case posts properly. Reattach ribbon cables flat and secure screws using light torque to prevent stripping. Reconnect the trigger cable and place the faceplate back, pressing clips until you hear clicks. Test buttons and triggers before snapping the faceplate back on fully. Reinstall the battery pack and verify functionality with a quick power-on test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.